Everyone saying that dropshipping is dead, but data saying that in 2025 this year is the best to start dropshipping because low startup cost, very global market access, new supplier are changing everything, AI innovation, everything is making dropshipping more easier. So if you want to build a real e-commerce business, so please watch till at the end of the video. You will see a lot of things that what I am showing. Okay, so hey everyone, I'm Nazmul Hassan, and in this sector, in dropshipping sector, I am almost 6 years, and I'm a Nazmul Hassan, a supplier, a dropshipping agent, and everything I see what is changing, what's new update is coming. So also you will see in this video at the end that what is the secret 100% proven method to success in dropshipping. So please watch the full video. Okay, so let's start and see the data first. Okay, first of all we will see the dropshipping market key statistics and insights. Okay, so dropshipping started at 2019, and that time it's very little because that time it started slowly, and at the next year in right now 2025 you can see that the graph is everything is increasing. Okay, so this is the industry growth, and when we will see that the market size of every countries that dropshipping market trends by region, which is revenue share on 2022. This is the largest market on Europe mainly. Okay, but right now 2025 this is exploding and blooming in worldwide. So let's see the next data. Global market, dropshipping market of this 2022, I mean this 3 years ago, 225 billion, and the most selling product was toys, hobby, furniture, appliances, food, personal care, electronics, and fashion. So these five categories products was very sold, most sold on 2022. And we will go to the next step, that why dropshipping has a very bright future, and what is the new update technology in e-commerce coming. You can see that this is a picture of VR and AR. Okay, so VR means virtual reality and AR means, which is illuminated reality. I mean, suppose you choose a product of furniture, for example, then you can check the product in your VR, almost real life experience, that how the products will look like in your rooms. Okay, so the AR will help you to feed the product how it looks like. I mean, this is the real feeling about the product. So customers will not be confused about the product quality, the product's benefit, the product features, everything. So this benefits will get the customers. Okay, so this is the very interesting part in this 2 or 3 years. Within 3 years it's coming. Okay, and yeah, machine learning, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning is ML are game changers in the dropshipping industry. Here's how these technologies are shaping the future of e-commerce. Number one, better product recommendation. Number two, enhanced fraud detection. Number three, AI powered customer service. And number four, one-click website builders. Yes, right now you can click a you can make a website within one click, within 5 to 10 minutes maximum. So we can see that how much changing the e-commerce sector. So this is a very big opportunity, and I think if we quit it, it is a very big falls, and we cannot catch this opportunity. So let's see the blockchain technology. Okay, blockchains, many entrepreneurs and big dropshippers saying that in the future blockchain will dominate the market. So how a blockchain will help to customers to purchase a product completely safely. Okay, so this is the graph. You can see from 5 steps the purchase will complete. Okay, so and also we will see that why social media will dominate and why social media yes increase the dropshipping sector. You don't need to pay any advertising fees to like YouTube, to Facebook. If you can know the social media organic marketing, then you can earn million dollar. You can see January 2022 it was 0.7%. I mean the graph is saying, and on January 2024, yeah, it's 5,036. So how much social media the trends is increasing, okay? And also I will show you now the solution, the results, how you can overcome, how you can success in dropshipping if you start in this year, okay? So let's see. Challenge for dropshipping you should prepare for. This is a challenge. Every business have challenge. So now let's get to the challenge. Number one is intense competition in the dropshipping market. Yeah. So dropshipping market have a competition. Every market have competition. So strategies is to scope, understand your competition. Yeah. You have to check your competitor or what products are selling well. Then niche marketing, unique branding. This is most important in dropshipping. Use your own product image, not those from suppliers. The main thing is that you have to make a brand store. Any product, almost any problem solving product can sell, but if you make a brand store, okay, then customers will feel that this is a reliable store we can safely purchase. And adapt to technology change, like everything is changing, so you have to walk it through to accumulate or according the trends, okay? So automation, AI integration, everything you have to know. And quality control over shipping challenge, also you have to pay attention about the shipping challenge, like supplier relationships, transparent pricing, and also others many things, okay? So my friend, so this is the end of the video. I will tell now that what is the secret that I told you at the beginning, that the secret is you have to find winning product. If you can become master in winning product, 100% I can definitely guarantee you will be success. You can make a profitable business in dropshipping, okay? So, and if you also want to make a good business with me, I have good team. Just comment below or in the video description I have contact details. Just contact me, okay? So thank you. Everyone saying that dropshipping is dead.